My name is Finley Gibson. I am a research data scientist with the University of Exeter. I've been assigned to one of the case studies within the Enforce project, which is based on detecting incidents of water pollution in the waterways and rivers of South Devon. And basically my job is to take Earth observation data and other remote sensing data and from this try to model water quality measurements that have been taken by citizen scientists from the local community. The data that I'm working with is quite vast and expansive. Earth observation data is very high resolution, and there are a lot of factors at play that may contribute to the water quality, to fluctuations in the water quality and to pollution. It's very hard for a human being to address those and take those all in one go. So we're using artificial intelligence to be able to comprehend all of that very broad information. And if we can write a machine learning artificial intelligence model that can, from this huge amount of Earth observation data, reproduce the known water quality incidents that we have from the citizen science samples, then if we can build a model that can map from the Earth observation data to these known quantities of water quality, then we can use this to then understand in areas that we haven't sampled where maybe there is an issue. Earth observation data allows us to detect maybe human actions and human practices that we know will contribute to poor quality water is one way that we can do this. So these are it's detection of not directly the low quality water, but detection of features that we know may contribute to that. And if we can detect those features from the Earth observation data, and then we can model how they affect the water quality, then we know what's causing the low quality water. Also, we can directly detect changes to the land that might indicate that things like soil erosion have taken place. And soil erosion is something that then contributes to low quality water because of soil getting washed into the waterways, which carries a lot of fertilizer. So at the moment, we have a great group of citizen scientists that go out and collect water samples. These give us a good understanding of what's going on in the waterways. But if we can model, we can use the Earth observation and AI to model places where we suspect there might be an issue. We can then send in the citizen scientists to confirm this, and then we can feed their water samples at the new locations back into the model in a kind of cycle to keep building our understanding around the area and develop a more comprehensive picture about what's happening in the waterways in Devon. When we have determined a correlation, we can then look at areas where we haven't had citizen scientists do any sampling, and we can say, well, our model suggests that there may be a problem here. And then we can send a citizen scientist in to confirm that problem. The first stage of this has been a lot of data collecting and collation. We have citizen science data and we have Earth observation data, but we also have a number of different data sources where we can get supplementary data. And we've been doing a lot of building pipelines to get this publicly available data and channel it in and get it into a useful format to build machine learning models. I'm now at a stage, the hard bit, where we've got to start building those models. So yeah, developing the machine learning artificial intelligence models that are going to try and replicate the observations that we've seen in the citizen science data, build a predictive model that we can then use going forward. That's where I am.